I was asked to try a new recipe from somebody who has all sorts of nut allergies and dairy issues. So I'm going to try to make banana milk. So this is just 2 cups of, so the ratio is 1 to 1, 1 frozen banana for 1 cup of water. So this is 2 frozen bananas and 2 cups of water. And according to the internet, you can add all sorts of other things in there, chia seeds or vanilla or even a date if you want to sweeten it up a little bit, but we're just going to try basic banana milk. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just going to hit custom blend and put to power 4. So that was 30 seconds. And indeed, we have banana milk. And let's see how it tastes. It's actually not unlike almond milk. It's just got a slight banana flavor to it. But it would be perfect for cereal or anything like that. I do understand that with banana milk, you have to pretty much drink it within a day or it'll start turning brown like bananas do. But another win for the blender.